Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another one. Back out here with the Jeep today. Today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover from Rough Country. Y'all hold on. Okay, so let's open this package, see what's inside. Do not use sharp objects to cut open box.
You only need 3 wheels of them. Yeah, turn up dinner.
Okay. So we got a roll of foam.
Wonder why it would come with foam.
On an instruction booklet, we have an instruction sheet, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Just as good.
Two pieces to mount to the front and rear. The tonneau itself, which we're going to lay out in the sun in a moment. Tons of aluminum brackets. And even more aluminum brackets. Well, the first thing you want to do in a build like this is lay out cover nice and flat so we can kind of stretch out and warm up in the sun. Because believe me, a warm cover is a lot easier to stretch than a cold cover that's been in a box for a couple months. Let's get to installing everything else. Now, as usual, this is not an install video. I'm not trying to teach you how to do it. I'm just showing you what I'm doing step by step. Put on these side pieces here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these screws out, slide this bar piece right here into this, and then put the screw back in. And then you're ready to start putting in your mounts along your bed rail. Now, as you're doing this, I recommend you do the front two first. And the reason is that way you can make sure that you're even on width on both sides. And then you work your way back. Now that you know what it's going to be to make it even, you can keep it even all the way back. So there you have all 6 installed. And they're nice and square all the way up and down both sides. What's next? So it says the next thing to do is unroll it on the truck. And lock it in place. I can't do this with the phone, so hold on. So initial put on needs some adjustment. There's a good bit of gap right here, and there's some weather stripping there to keep water out and whatnot. Let's see how we can adjust it. So it took some adjusting, but I finally got it where I think it will stay down and locked in place. I'm not super happy with that, but it's somewhat secured. I mean, I wouldn't leave your shotgun in it without being in a locked case that's bolted to the bed of the truck. But hey, now, yeah. So, still have full use of the bed. Load the kayaks up in there. Go get lumber, whatever I need to do. And I can use the truck for carrying luggage to go on family vacations. Or whatever else I want to tow in there. I may have to adjust these a little bit. Give that Velcro a little more stick, but we'll see. So, rough country soft tonneau cover. What do y'all think? I know that rough country doesn't exactly make the absolute best when it comes to lift kits. But what do y'all think of this? I've heard their other accessories and other stuff are pretty decent. This seems to be fairly well constructed. We'll see how well it holds up. Keep your eye on the channel. Subscribe, leave me a comment. Tell me if you have any experience with this particular tonneau or know anybody who does. Maybe it sucks, maybe it's great. We'll find out together. Until next time, y'all keep the shiny side up.